Hey, what's up guys, my name is Bolt6David and today I want to show you where to find free photos that you can use in any other of your projects, or if you want to use it on YouTube, that's not a problem. So that being said, I just open up the Chrome and I know some of these, but don't forget that for some of them you will have to at least give the credit to the person that created the photo, or from others you can pay. But these two websites that I'll show you, I used them in the past and they work for me. They are very easily to handle, to understand how it's working, and I didn't have a problem. But as I told you, for some photos you will have to give credit to the person that created the photo. That is most probably if you want to use it for a project that in a commercial use or something like that, like YouTube. So one website that I was using was Pexels. I love this one. You can search not only photos here, but you can search also some videos. So as an example, let's search for, I don't know, ocean, for an ocean picture. And I just found something. Yeah, you have 16 by 9 or 9 by 16 photos. You have some filters here. As an example, all sizes. Let's go, that's not the orientation. I'm looking for a horizontal one. More like 16 by 9. Yeah, they will work. And if I want something 9 by 16, I will have to choose vertical. Yeah, you can use that on your I don't know, stories or reels, maybe TikTok. They will work. What else I have here? Square. If you are looking to find some square photos, that's not a problem. You can choose the size here if you want to have some very detailed one, or small. Let's have a look. That's not a problem. And also they'll recommend you something based on the text you search for. But I want to search for a video, so let's search just ocean, and now I'll have to select videos, and now only videos should pop up. Let's have a look on one of these. Yeah, it's a very nice video that will work. And let's see, if I press download, as I told you, you will have to give some credit, show some love to Review Mike Sky. I can pronounce your name, man. I'm sorry for that, but this is the name of the creator, and you will have to give the man credit. You can also copy that. So let's search for a photo. Let's search for, I don't know, city, and I'm on photos. Let's go horizontal, and let's choose this one. And if I press on free download, the same situation. And this is the creator, Josh Heil. I'll recommend to give the man credit because it's his photo, but you can use that as long as you'll give him the credit. This is about Pexels. Let me show you another one. It's called Pixabay. This one is working in the same way that Pexels is working. So let's choose some, I don't know, some birds. Some photos with some birds. Yeah, I like this one. I press on that one. And for this one, I will have to create an account in order to download it. And this is the creator. I will have also to give him the credit. Let's search something else. I want to see some turtles. Some videos with some turtles. And now, if I press not only on photos, I want videos of turtles. Let's have a look on one. And I see there a watermark. Yeah, I have the video. And as you can see, for this one, you have to pay a monthly charge in order to use this video. So I'll recommend you this one to work with, but more often I am using Pexels when I need something. Something what I will not recommend you doing, it's of course going on Google and searching for like ocean pictures or ocean videos, and then going into photo, which is Google Photo, and just downloading something from here, because you may have some problems doing that from stealing pictures. I will not recommend you doing that. As an example, if we go on this one as an example, you can see images may be subject to copyright. So of course, obviously, don't do that. Do not steal pictures. You may have some problems. Another very nice website which I'm recommending you is Freepik. You can visit this one. It's working the same way as Pexels and Pixabay, which I will show you furthermore immediately. Here you can also see some pictures which you can download. Of course, you can see the license is free. Let's press on download, and you can see you can free download it, but attribution is required. What that means? Let's press on that. Creating content takes a lot of time and effort, which is why we ask you to provide a link to attribute the source. Where will you be using the image? If you're using on the web, printed items, videos, and apps, you will have some requirements for all this. For the apps and games, as an example, paste this link on the website where your app is available for download in the description section of the platform or marketplace you are using. You will have to provide this link. What about the video? The same. Paste and link this appropriate area of the video description. You will have to say image by, okay, I can pronounce that. This is the creator on FreePic. On printed items, the same. For printed items, for example, books, clothing, flyers, posters, you will have to say, for example, image2.freepik.com. This cover has been designed using assets from freepik.com. Copy this link and paste it in an available place close to where you're using this image. If that's not possible, place it on the footer of your website, blog, newsletter, or in the credit section. If you don't want to give the credit, however, you can go premium and they will have some plans here, and in this way you'll not be forced to give the credit. But this is about the free pick. But obviously, just do not use random pictures that you can find, because they are subject to copyright, and if you are using it in some of your projects, you may not be able to monetize your work, or either you will have some legal problems. So just do not steal pictures.